How to stay updated on Commander's free agency deal. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, you need to search the team name, free agency. Open any of the web browser and in the search engine, you have to search for Washington Commanders free agency news. This will show the latest articles from major sports sites covering the team. Open the news tab after searching. Tap the news section. You will see the newest report about player signings, trades, contract extensions, player release, and many more. This section updates frequently during free agency. After that, you can check trusted sports website. Open article from reliable sports platforms such as ESPN, NFL, or Bleacher report as well. These sites usually post detailed breakdowns of every deal that Commanders make. Or else you can also follow the person who will keep you up to date about this matter. You simply need to move into your Instagram account. And then in the search bar, you need to search for this person. You can simply copy and paste. Once found, follow this person and be up to date. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.